Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are fine. This is Ankita, your teacher. What is your teacher's name? Yes, Ankita. Yes, yes, Ankita. This is Ankita. I'm going to teach you and make your teaching, learning more and more interesting. What is today's date? Just see this. What is today's date? Today's date is 3rd June 2020, and today's day is Wednesday. Today's day is Wednesday. Today I am going to teach you maths. Today I am going to teach you maths. You have your fun with maths book. You all are having your fun with maths book. And from that book, that very book, there is a section in that book that is comparisons. That is comparisons, under which you have to study about the big and small things. The big and small things. Just see my hands, what I am doing. Big and small things. Today I have bought so many things for you to make you understand the concept of big and small. Do you want to see what are the things I have brought for you? Before I show the things to you, just see this picture. See this picture. What is this? This is a banana. This is a banana. And can you find the difference between these two pictures? Can you find the difference between these two pictures? Yes, very good. One picture is big and another picture is small. One picture is big and another picture is small. Now, can you tell me which picture is big and which picture is small? Can you tell me which one is big and which one is small? Yes? Very good. This one is big picture and this one is small picture. This one is big picture and this one is small picture. Big means bada and small means chota. Big means bada and small means chota. Now I will show you various things that I have collected from my house. I will show you various things which will make the concept of big and small more clear. And after that, you people can also tell your parents, your mummy, your papa that which object is big and which object is small, which object is big and which object is small. To start with the objects, I will first introduce you one of your favorite thing. One of your favorite things? Tell me, what is your favorite thing? Can you tell me? Can you tell me what is your favorite thing? Yes, toys are your favorite things. You love playing with toys. You love playing with toys. You have a variety of toys in your houses, and some toys are very big and some toys are very small. So let us start with the toys. See who I have got. I have got a toy elephant for you. I have got a toy elephant for you. See this? It can rotate its neck also. See, this is a toy elephant. Now comes, अब इसके पीछे आया, ये देखिए, इसके पीछे आया एक इसका बेबी एलिफेंट. अब ये साथ में पीछे पीछे चलेंगे. अब ये साथ में पीछे पीछे चलेंगे. So now can you identify in both the toy elephants which one is big and which one is small? See, you can identify it like this. See, this is of this size and this is of this size. You need to expand your hand to measure this, isn't it? This one is of this size and this one is of this size. आप अपने हाथ से जब नापोगे तो you will find कि एक बड़ा है और एक छोटा है. तो अब आपको पता चला कि कौन बड़ा है कौन छोटा है. So the toy elephant is big. This toy elephant having blue color body is big, and this toy elephant having green color body is small. Now I have got many more things. Let's start with them. Okay. One more toy I am having. See. What is this? What is this? This is a duck. Quack quack. Quack quack. The duck is saying quack quack. The duck is saying quack quack. Yes. And I have got another duck. This is the duckling. The baby duckling. It also says quack quack. Oh shit. ये तो बोल ही नहीं रहा. कोई बात नहीं. But it is a baby duck. Okay. Baby duck. Speak, speak, speak. Yes. This is duck and this is duckling. You can find, no? This one is big and this one is small. This one is big and this one is small. Big, small. Big, small. Big, small. Now I have got two rings. Okay, see, I have got two rings. The blue ring and the red ring. The blue ring and the red ring. Can you see? This one is big. The blue ring is big and the red ring is small. The blue ring is red. The blue ring is big and the red ring is small. Zoo. Let's ride a car. Zoo, zoo, zoo. The blue ring is big and red ring is small. Now I have got your favorite toy. Everyone loves to play with it. Yes. What is this? This is a ball. What is this? This is a ball. The red one is big. The yellow, the orange one is small. The red one is big. The orange one is small. Big, big, big. Small, small, small. Okay. Do you know what is this? What is this? Yes? Yes. This is scissors. This is scissors. Through this we cut the papers. We cut papers. The barber used to cut the hair. The tailor used to cut the clothes. And we and you kids used to cut the paper to make various craft. This is scissors. Okay? This is scissors. The purple one is big and the red one is small. Purple one is big and red one is small. You can find, no? See which one is big and which one is small. The purple one is big and the red one is small. Now every day you comb your hair. Let me comb my hair also. This is my comb. I am combing my hair with it. This is my comb and I am combing my hair with it. This is my comb. And I have got one baby comb. I have got one baby comb. Now you can see this one is small, this one is big. This one is small and this one is big. Many more things I have. Let me show you fast. Okay? Let me show you fast. I have got many more things for you. Okay. Your teacher used to write with the chalk in the classroom. See, I have got the chalks also. See, this one is big and this one is small. Can you see this? The green one is big and the blue one is small. The green one is big and the blue one is small. This is your chalk. The teacher used to write with it. Okay, you used to write with your pencil. See, I have got two pencils. One is big and one is small. One is big and one is small. You can see the difference yourself. One is big and one is small. Now, can you see my bindi? Can you see my bindi? Yes. Is it big or small? Is it big or small? You cannot tell me. Now tell me which one is big and which one is small. Yes, the red one is small and the blue one is big. The red one is small and the blue one is big. Big and small, big and small. Ma'am is putting the bindi on her forehead. Big and small, big and small. Ma'am has put the bindi on her forehead. Now, more things I have. Let me show you. Okay. We all like potatoes, no? I have got that from my kitchen. मम्मा से छुपा कर लाया है मैंने. See? मम्मा से छुपा के मैंने 2 potatoes लाए हैं. This potato is big. This is big potato. And this one is small potato. Big potato, small potato. I have got onions also. These are onions. The big one and the small one, the big one and the small one. I have got one more thing. What is this? Lemon. What is this? Lemon. The big one and the small one. The big one and the small one. How does it taste? It tastes sour. खट्टा लग रहा है ना? It tastes sour. And we enjoy sikanji made with this lemon. Now comes another vegetable from the kitchen. See? This is big chili, this is baby chili. Big chili, baby chili. Which one do you want to eat? I am big, no? I am your teacher. I am big. I can eat this and this you have to eat. Eat this and I will eat this. Bitter taste. तीखा लग गया. So we have got many things. Now many more things I am having. See, these are glasses. The big glass and the small glass. The big glass and the small glass. Big and small. Big and small. Now I have got spoon. The big spoon, the small spoon. The small spoon goes in the big small glass. The big spoon goes into big glass. Then I have got two bowls. The big bowl and the small bowl. Big bowl and the small bowl. Just put these things like this and make a we can play like this, no? You can also play like this at home. But don't irritate your mother. Otherwise she'll start beating you. Okay. Now this is for the girls. The small girls, the little girls, they like to play with their dolls. I too have got a little doll with me. See this little girl? Isn't she cute? Isn't she cute? She's very cute. Say hello to all. Hello. Hello. See, it's saying hello. Now, after her comes, let her sit. Okay? Let her sit like this. She's not sitting? Okay. I have got another doll. Both the dolls are very cute. They look very cute together. Both of them look very cute together, isn't it? This one is small and this one is big. This one is small and this one is big. Both are looking together at each other. Say hello to all. Hello, hello, hello. Now they are saying bye to you all. Say bye. Say bye. Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. We will meet again. Bye bye. Bye bye. We will meet again. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Now I have got the last one for you. Okay, I have got the last one for you. The small Teddu. the small Teddy, and this will make you laugh. The big Teddy, the small Teddy, and the big Teddy. The small Teddy is sitting on the nose of the big Teddy. See, the small Teddy and the big Teddy. Let me make him sit on my place. See, now he will be your teacher. Okay, I am going. Bye. He will be your teacher and he will make you teach. He will make you learn the things. Just see, just keep your nose down. And now teach them all. Teach them all. He will make you learn the things. Now I don't have to do anything. You all have learned everything. Now see, he is showing you the Horlicks you all love to drink. See, the big one and the small one. The bottle, we all use water bottles, small bottle and the big bottle. The small bottle and the big bottle. See, it's still here and teaching you all. Do you want to study with him or me? किसके साथ पढ़ना है? इसके साथ या मेरे साथ? मुझे लगता है आप मेरे साथ पढ़ोगे, तो इसे मैं यहाँ से भगाती हूँ अभी. चल भाग यहाँ से. Now it's my turn to make them learn. Say bye to them. Say bye bye, tata, bye bye, tata. You also say bye to them. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. So kids, I think this is enough for you all to understand the concept of big and small. Big and small. Big and small. Big and small. So this is all for today. Thank you.